it's Sam. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled my DECOCRATED box this season. So we are in the spring season, and DECOCRATED is a subscription box that comes out seasonally, and it's all home decor based. So if you guys love home decor, this is definitely the box for you. I do have a coupon code. It is going to be Sam and Fam 10. That's going to save you guys $10 off of your first quarterly subscription. Or I have a code Sam and Fam 30, and that's going to save you guys $30 off of your annual subscription. So you can use either or depending on whether you want to sign up for the whole year or you just want to give it a go and test it out for the quarter. So I have been getting DECOCRATED now for, I think it's been about I was going to say a month. I've had quite a few, so maybe it's been a year. I don't know, I can't remember exactly, but it's been quite a few. I will link the other unboxings for you guys so you guys can see what you can expect if you do sign up, just to get an idea of like what comes in the box seasonally. And it's always based around that season. So obviously for spring, it's gonna be like Valentine's, flowery, kind of more, you're gonna add a little bit more color, kind of pinks and that kind of thing into your box. Winter is obviously geared towards more winter. Fall is more cozy, kind of warm colors and fall appropriate items. So this season's box is definitely a little bit more colorful. They have some really pretty wood tones, and I really like this box. I actually was very excited when I opened it and got all my stuff. I'm not going to be doing an unboxing for you guys because sometimes I feel like it's funner to see how I style the stuff versus just, you know, opening it and showing it. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit more than just that this time. So I'm going to be taking you guys around the areas of my house that I have styled the pieces and just show you guys what I did with the items that came in my box. Every single season they feature a different artist. So the artist creates and designs little artwork in the box that you are able to put in any, I think it's a 5x7 frame. Let me just, 4x6 frame. And then every season you get these little kind of art pieces that you can switch out in the frame, which is really cool because then you can switch up. I like to switch up my decor seasonally. I don't know, I always have been that way. I just really like it. Plus I get bored. So I like the fact that I get a little kind of like a new piece of art every single season. So this season's artist is Kelly Merker, I believe. So this box, you're gonna get the art print that is from Kelly, the artist. You're gonna get little magnets that are also her art. You're gonna get the framed art, like it's a framed actual like wall art piece that I'll show it all, don't worry. And that's also by the same artist. You're gonna get a tabletop tray. You also get a metal lantern. That's what it's called. In the video of me showing you guys everything, I was like, what on earth is this thing called? I do not know. It's called a metal lantern. You get 2 spring pillows. You get, and it's this, the cases. It's not the actual pillow, so just keep that in mind. You do have to buy the insert, but you still get the pillowcase, so you can switch it up. So I just have 2 insert pillows and then I just switch it up because they usually do give every season a different pillowcase. You get a magnet board and then you also get a burlap taupe. Now the burlap taupe I have actually used so much whenever we go thrifting. It's such an amazing bag. It fits so much and it's very, very sturdy. It's also great for groceries. It fits so much stuff in it. And that's the thing, is a lot of those little bags, they're kind of like, they're not that sturdy and they also don't fit that much. This is a really big one and you'll see it hanging, but it's amazing. I just love their products. They always have really nice, super cute. I love the artwork that they do. It's just a really fun box. So if you guys like home decor, you would definitely love this subscription. Let's go ahead and get into the styling part of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so the first item is this gorgeous little, I have no clue what you're supposed to call these, little house. I don't know what they're called, a little metal black house. So you can put a candle in here, you can put a plant, you can put there's all sorts of little things that you can display. I just put a plant. Also, does this mean I've been watering it too much, you guys? I've never had this problem, but I've been actually watering my plants more than I usually do, and I think I overwatered this guy because it looks like it's almost like full of water in the end bits here on the bottom. So I think I'm just gonna let that guy dry out for a bit. But I just put a little succulent inside of it. I had a candle. During Christmas, I had like a little faux Christmas tree. So I think it's fun that you can kind of switch it up throughout the seasons. We just got a new table from IKEA. The chairs were thrifted, but I love the way it looks and it just kind of makes it a little centerpiece with our light on top. So that's the first piece from my box. So then over here, we have this little, like a little, I don't know, what do you want to call it? chalkboard, I guess, and it's magnetic, so you can put the little magnets, and the magnets did come in the box as well. They're really cute. They say like little kind of motivational, believe in yourself, you got this, love, and then just kind of some really pretty paintings. And this is the same artist. Oh, I just realized that's a heart. This is the same artist that is featured in the box. So you can actually hang this sideways, you can hang it vertically. I haven't quite figured out where I want it, so for now I've just put it in that corner just to kind of add a little bit of something over there. And then over here is the little frame that I first got when I first got the box. This is the one that I got this time around, and they're always reversible. So on the other side, oh no, I'm sorry, that was just a little thing, but it's so cute. It says love every little thing you do. This is the one that comes in the box. This is live in color, and then on the other side it says home is where my heart is. So it's super cute if you like to decorate for the Valentine's Day holiday that's coming up. But then the winter one was this. So they're always different, and they're always, you know, related to the season. Super cute. So that one was for fall and Halloween, and then that one was for summer. So I just keep them all behind the one that I'm using currently. I really like this one though. And then that way I can just switch them out every season, but every box you get a new one, so it's super fun. It looks so cute. It's just like a little kind of motivational, cute artwork phrase that you can have right there. Next is this bag, and this is like a reusable bag, which I've been wanting to do that more often. We have a couple, but it's never enough to like get all of our, you know, groceries. And so this one's really nice and big and long, which I like. And then it says it's what's inside that counts, which is really cute. And then it has this nice little strap, really nice, and it actually looks really cute as decor as well. And then that way, like when it's right by the door, I will remember to grab it. But there's other ones that aren't as cute, so I'm not gonna hang them up, you know, because then it doesn't look nice in your house. So I absolutely love this bag, and like I said, it's quite durable and sturdy, and like definitely a good size. So love that. We have this cute little picture, and this is by the artist that actually is featured inside the box, that also has the other little pictures or the little pieces of paper that you can stick in your frame. I love this, and I don't know what it's supposed to be. That's what I love about this kind of art, is that everyone sees something different, and it just like goes in here so well. I still need to find something else, like a little faux plant or something to put up there, but then it really matches well with my cabinet, which I absolutely love the way they go. So it just kind of adds a little pop of color and fun piece of art for the wall. I really need to put a towel there, I keep forgetting. Okay, and then the next piece is actually in my makeup room, and it's this gorgeous little tray, and it's a set of little gold holders. I don't know what they would be called, but it's like the whole thing. It comes with this part and then the 4 little different sizes. So it's kind of great for your brushes, because I have all my eye brushes in that one, and then I have my big face brushes in that one, and then all of my mascara and eyebrow stuff, that kind of stuff in that one, and then just a nice little plant. And so it just looks really cute on my desk, keeps it all organized and looking nice. And I love the pop of gold, because I have like a lot of different pieces of gold on my desk already, so it matches perfectly. So I absolutely love that one. Also, how cute is Phoenix? He plays nature sounds for me, or like raindrops in my room on the Alexa, so that I can be relaxed when I put my makeup on. So pretty adorable. Okay, next we are in Phoenix's room, and it's this pillow, and it's actually the perfect color because it matches his room perfectly. His room is like all different shades of blue, and it's like this really nice color. It came with 2 of the pillow cases. We just put our own pillow in there, and it's just a really nice material, and it's a great color blue. And then he also has one on his little chair, so it matches his room really well, because it's like the same tones as all of the different blues that are kind of throughout his bedroom. So that worked out really well. Okay guys, so there is how I styled my DECOCRATED box this season. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, I will have that coupon code in the description box below. It is SamandFam10 or SamandFam30. That'll save you some money, and I'll link the box down below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video.